I'm just going to share the top 5 tips that I give my clients when we're going into a deposition. Number 1, I always let my clients know that the deposition is not going to be like what they see on television. So on television, we see very dramatic legal proceedings where someone is caught in a lie, or the other side is trying to portray the person in a very unfavorable light. That happens very rarely in depositions. I tell my clients to think of it as a conversation, a very important conversation, and it is a conversation that's being recorded, but it's not going to be like television. Number 2, your attorney is going to tell you to tell the truth, and of course we want you to tell the truth. But that means don't guess and don't speculate. If you don't know the answer, it's okay to say, I don't know. But remember, we want you to tell the truth, and we want you to answer as much as you can, because one of the worst things that could happen is that in your deposition, to every question you say, I don't know, I don't remember. Well, when you have a trial a year from now, or 6 months, or even 2 years from now, and you all of a sudden remember, then the other side is going to say, well, why didn't you remember this during your deposition? So tell the truth, but don't guess, don't speculate. Number 3, listen carefully. A lot of people being deposed don't listen to the question, and so they don't actually answer the question. So listen carefully so that you can actually answer the question that's being asked. Number 4, the deposition is not the time when you want to tell your whole story. That can come later if there's a trial. The deposition is the time for you to answer the question. I find that when people want to tell their whole story, they tend to give way too much information. So just answer the questions that's being asked. And number 5, which I think is the most important thing, remember that the other side is evaluating you. What wins cases more than anything else is likability and trust. So you need to give truthful answers, and you need to come off as calm, not defensive, and someone who's likable. Those are my tips for you.